What's up, drivers? Smile up. Look, from the last video, comments. We need a lesson on requesting claims. First thing you want to do before you request a claim is take a screenshot of the passenger. All right? Take a screenshot of the ride. And then you want to take pictures of the request. Throw up, spills, whatever, garbage. When you want to submit, you go to the ride. You click help. Then on Lyft, I know you click my car was damaged. On Uber, you go to the ride, click help, and then you put a issue with the passenger. And you should be able to read the directions from there, all right? Now, when I take photos, I always take over 5 photos. You want clear photos, but you want to make that claim look bad, meaning get the best angles that make your car look like it's been jacked up. Also, drivers, claim returns. When you return any item, claim a return fee. I claim return fees on everything, but only if I gotta drive 5 minutes or more, okay? Now, if I just turned around and returned it, I'm not gonna do that. But 5 minutes or more, the way gas prices are, I'm claiming a return fee. And most return fees are $15. I think Lyft give you an option to go higher, but I usually just do $15 because most likely that passenger is going to tip you right there or on the app. But I don't care if they tip me there or on the app. I am claiming $15. Like I said, they just need a lesson, man. They shouldn't spill nothing. They shouldn't. The worst one is when they eat, like, let's say they eat fries, Doritos, or whatever, a bag of chips, whatever, and they go like this. Tell me you guys don't like that sound. And they're not putting it on their lap. They putting it on your floor. I'm going to start claiming salt. You know what I'm saying? Freak that. Claim everything, man. These guys need a lesson, man. Always claim throw up. Always claim pee. Don't let them get away with it. And it's not being savage getting money, but we do need to be compensated for like the throw up and pee and all that other disgusting stuff that happened. Even if they have sex in your car, man, and the seat's wet. Claim it. Claim anything, any situation that you're comfortable of claiming. This is a lesson for the passengers. And I'ma be out there because the money's out there. That's why we out there. Smile up. We ride share drivers. Be safe.
Terry Tips. Stay tuned to Terry Tips.